Due to the rapid changes in global markets and demographics, the manufacturing industry is moving inevitably towards intelligent production. To improve productivity while maintaining cost efficiency, agile, flexible, and versatile industrial robots are becoming indispensable. With much long-term experience in industrial automation, Delta has successfully developed multiple lightweight industrial robots, including articulated robots and SCARA robots. Delta has also built robot workstations and various solutions for industries such as consumer electronics, electrical and electronics, rubber and plastics packaging, metal fabrication, and more. At Delta's production base, the Delta Articulated Robot works with a visual inspection system and peripheral electric components to inspect 5 functions of the finished products based on designated steps and parameters of the SCARA robot from multiple angles. These functions include axial rotation in each direction, software-limited functions, multiple degrees of freedom, large working range, and high precision. This achieves perfect results with 0 undetected errors and a 0 misoperation rate, and the time needed for the 5 inspections has been reduced from the original 68 minutes to 18 minutes, increasing inspection efficiency by 74%. Uploading the inspection data to the manufacturing execution system further enables real-time control of product quality to achieve intelligent production. On the fan rotator assembly line, the new Delta SCARA robot with an arm length of 600 millimeters and a maximum payload of 6 kilograms provides highly stable motion control. Together with the automated fan production process, it performs precise loading and unloading, increasing the production capacity from 500 units per hour to 600 units per hour, as well as improving the quality and stability of the products. It is an excellent choice for customers to use in automating production lines for different working ranges and maximum payload. The Delta SCARA robot also finds application on the production lines of power supplies, industrial automation products, control panels, rotors, and more. It performs major processes such as insertion, screw driving, inspection, glue dispensing, and soldering. Twice the production capacity and quality with only half the effort is achieved with various fast and flexible workstations that significantly reduce the need for production space and labor. Committed to the brand promise, smarter, greener, together, Delta offers industrial robots that are starting a new page in intelligent automation to bring you green, smart living with high precision, speed, and integrity.